guys, Darren for venomfluidart.
With Bubbles.
Can't forget Bubbles.
Because I won't let you.
No doubt.
Thanks, Tinker Girl.
Welcome back to another Student versus Teacher.
The fun-filled adventures of us.
Not them.
That's right.
I know.
Fair enough.
Go figure.
I am. What?
Oh, yeah.
Put me right off then.
Right, yeah. Bubbles, what are we doing today?
We're playing with,
I've noticed. Yeah. Making a mess.
No.
Enco Cell pouring paint.
Yeah, so if you're in Australia, you get those from Kmart. There's 2 different sets of colour groups. And, like, they're actually... Wombat's had a play. I haven't had a turn yet. And they're cheap. $5.
Yep.
You get 4 in a box.
4 in a box for $5.
So, really cool for beginners.
Yeah, cheap. Sound like a budgie.
Exactly. No, if you think about it, when you're starting out, you might have seen paint pouring, it's got you curious, but you may buy a whole heap of shit,
Yeah.
pay a fortune, and then go, well, I don't like that.
Yeah.
So this is a cool way to have a go, and...
Speaking of cheap.
Uh-oh.
Hello, everybody. They almost forgot me yet again. What?
Wouldn't let us do that, would you, princess?
No, you know what he's like.
All right. You know I suck. I suck at those.
We're doing a flip cup. Oh my god, here we go.
Get ready to wear
Gonna
it.
end up on the ceiling.
No, you ready?
Yep. Almost.
That was pretty close, right?
Pretty close. Man, instant cells.
It's not like it farted then. That was pretty
I
cool.
know.
All right. Oh, check.
Inside the cup looks great.
Alrighty, we'll stop that. How cool is that?
It is super cool.
That's a piece of art in itself, that cup.
I know, go figure.
Well, we know it sells, don't we?
Yeah.
Alright. What to do? I might do a little stretch first, I think. There's some pretty darn cool effects there. $5. No way would I have thought that. I just want to open it up and move it around a bit first just to see what it's going to do.
Why not? That's trippy as. Isn't that crazy?
Hey, that's cool. Use your spinner. See that? Maneuvering.
Maneuvering?
Yeah, I'm going to get that back there. Let's see what she does with just a light spin. That's actually pretty cool.
It looks like a tornado.
Doesn't it? That's really cool. Am I going to lose them cells if I keep spinning? That's hard to gauge. No, I don't think so. I'm just going to go now. We'll see what happens.
Alright.
Oh, look at that on the edge. I like how that's opening up.
Trippy, eh?
It's like whitewash on a wave.
Yeah.
Coming onto the sand, yeah, you get that. Yeah, that's actually pretty cool. That's weird.
In it what?
That is really weird.
That is bizarre.
It's still got a bit on there, hasn't it?
Yeah.
What I might do is wipe my hands before I touch the torch. Because I know that you're going to pick it up after me and I'm going to get bubbles. What? This is the only place I'm untidy. A few little bubbles. There's probably only 2 or 3 then.
2 or 3 what?
Bubbles.
Yeah, it's actually not that bubbly.
No, this was sort of...
Probably because it's so thin. Like, it's really thin stuff, so...
Sort of blew me out a bit there. It's probably because you're so used to doing swipes and blooms where you get your bubbles.
Yeah.
You're looking for them going, well, what am I supposed to pop? I like that.
That's nuts.
I might leave it there. I quite like it like
I like
that.
the negative space in the corners.
Yeah. I'm going to leave it at that, huh?
Alright.
Because I think that's pretty cool.
That is pretty cool. I quite like the look of that.
But $5 paint.
Perfect for somebody just starting out who doesn't want to spend a buttload of paint. I think the canvases you can get at Kmart, what are they worth? $5 or something?
Well, they've got packs as well where you can get, I think it's like 5 for $18 or
Yeah,
something.
5 in a pack for like just
and
less
some
than $12.
$12 ones too, so...
So you get, say, what are they, 8x10s?
Yeah.
So you get 5 8x10s, 2 packs of the paint,
Yeah, $20 you're starting.
you know, $30 all up. So that ain't bad.
That's pretty cool. I
That is
like
super
this
trippy
in here.
as.
Look at that.
Oh no, that's nuts.
Well, I wouldn't have believed that would sell like that for $5.
Not me neither.
That is pretty darn cool.
Alright, we'll do a flyover of that one.
I like how you got these
Little eyelets everywhere.
Yeah. That looks like a panda bear in there.
Yeah.
Or a koala.
Bizarre.
That's really cool. Little ghosty faces everywhere.
I like it.
Oh, that looks alien. Nanu. That's pretty cool.
Love it.
Alright, well,
All right.
you're going to get messy?
Yeah, we'll press pause and I'll get messy out. So.
Oh, come on, enthusiasm. You really love getting messy like bubbles.
Whoop whoop.
And we're back. Thanks, Tinker Girl.
Rightio.
I need a twisty.
I know. I've thrown some colours into that.
Oh, okay, you're going to split cup.
Yeah, well,
Fair enough.
we'll see what it does.
Yeah, okay. Oh, I like that. That's actually very cool. Oh, I should have had a turn. I'm feeling ripped off now.
Oh no, are you okay, Bubbles?
No, that's like freaking cool. Yeah, but I bet your mine wouldn't look like yours.
Oh, it would. It's the same thing.
I suck at those things. Give me a paint pen. Or, give me a swipe tool. I'm in heaven. This, I need to do quite a bit of work. I can admit it. That's actually super freaking cool, that.
Supercalifragilistic.
Look at it. Looks like a tornado. Doesn't it?
Yeah.
Is that... Oh, you got a heap of gold in there. I see you. The white was sort of hiding the gold.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Look how the white's going with the blue outside, the edge. That's friggin' cool. Oh, that's cool. Go, you good thing. Keep going. Keep doing it. Whoa, you gotta go right. That's cool. So digging that wombat.
How trippy's that?
Love that. No, that's cool. I can't see a penis in that at all. Just saying.
Really?
Yep, sorry.
Oh my goodness, Bubbles.
Sorry. I turned on an angle and was looking at me.
Right.
But it's only got one testicle.
Fair enough. Fun and games.
Well, I had a big week at work. I'm amusing myself.
Yeah, no doubt.
So, it'll disappear. It won't look like a penis once you Like a wiggle and jiggle or whatever you're doing.
Probably not, but...
It's in your head now, isn't it?
It is now. 'Cause all I'm thinking about now is, hey, how do I keep that?
It looks like it's selling on the canvas.
It is. It's actually selling on the canvas.
That's crazy. Look at them all coming through. You can see on the camera too.
Yeah. Yeah,
Excuse me.
you just manipulate it.
That is so cool.
Stretch it right out. Give it back.
Love the way those pinks are going.
Isn't it trippy?
That's crazy cool. I'm liking it. It's like a chain full of ferrets. You got to be on my angle to see it. No, I'm not mad, people. There is a chain of ferrets.
A chain of ferrets.
Yep.
It's very, very rare I'll ever do a pour.
You don't like getting super messy.
I don't like getting super messy.
The first time you did one, shit all over me.
Yeah, you heard the complaints from 2 mile away.
Yep. Last quite a few weeks too.
Yeah. Back down to this corner a bit.
That's super cool. Look at that opening up like that. I like that going up there.
So now it all comes down to just
Yeah.
messing with what composition you really want. So if I start with that, I might give that a bit of a spin. Just for giggles. See what it does.
Notice I ripped off about 20 sheets of paper towel.
Yeah,
before we
these are
started.
just so super messy. They really are.
And it's so thin and runny.
Yeah.
Booyah! How cool is that?
How trippy is that? You just touch up the corner.
Love that.
Alright, then we'll get our torch. Where'd our torch go? There it is.
That's really cool.
Something different.
That is really cool. I love that. Really cool abstract vibe there.
Yeah, I like it. Loads of fun.
I love how you got little blue cells with a ring of gold.
It's
That's
trippy, isn't it?
through the middle. That's really beautiful. I really like that. And all of this. We'll have to do a close-up in the flyover
Yeah.
of all that, because that's really cool.
So this stuff's obviously got silicone oil in it.
Got to have by what you were experimenting, didn't it?
Yeah.
But, as you say, it's cheap. It's $5, four bottles. Great for beginners.
Yeah, it is.
No big expense to have a afternoon art day.
No, it's super cheap, really.
Yeah, it is.
What I might do is actually see if I can get that to move across it just a tad. Just in that corner.
Oh, I love that. Look how it's coming up too. That's super cool. Look at it.
Yeah, I like that. Alright. Have a go at the cells here.
Yeah. All three.
That's just nuts.
Put your flyover reel so you get that too.
Yeah, we'll do a flyover of that.
Including the splats.
But they're a load of fun.
They are.
Perfect paints for beginners because
Yeah.
they're cheap, easy to use. You know it's instant cell city.
That's just fun.
But
Funky cool results.
no, the colours aren't as vibrant as, say, a Montmartre cell medium or something like that. But they're still not bad. I don't mind them, so.
You know, you got to think about it. You're paying $1.25 a bottle.
Exactly.
So-
It costs more than that to put silicone in it. So.
You're not going to get the vibrancy.
No.
But
And they don't crack.
no, but super cool. I love that. That looks really cool. All that part is my favourite. Love it.
Trippy, hasn't it?
Yep. Well, there you go.
There you have it.
Pouring fun on our channel.
Yeah.
Who'd have thunk it?
Who would have thunk it? Alright guys, if you've liked that, hit like, share and subscribe. Ring that notification bell.
Ding ding.
That way you get to see all this crazy stuff as we release it.
Come and have some fun with us.
For sure. That's it from us. So have fun, take care, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.
Have a fantastic day, everyone. Thank you for watching. Go get messy.
More messy than I am? That's unbelievable.
You're alright.